Greetings everyone and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be doing the song Melusi by Lebo Sekgobela, and it's going to be in the key of A flat major. And so the song does have multiple verses and stuff, but then they're literally just following the same theme. So we're going to go straight into it, play the theme, and then we'll see what additions we can do afterwards. So this is the main theme of the song. It goes like this, the melody line. So right, so that's literally how it goes. So let's break down those chords. So we have Melusi. Here we're doing a 1. There are different ways which you can voice this, right? Or depending on how you want it to sound. Like for example, you can just stick to the original 1, where left hand's playing a 1-5-1, right hand's playing a 1-1-3-5. But then I generally don't like using this chord as it is, just like that. So another thing which you can do is what I did here, is where you can also voice the right hand as a 1-2-5. The left hand we're gonna leave it the same, or you can in the left hand do what a lot of these professional gospel players do, is they voice this 1-3-5, but then they shift the 3 to be an octave higher. So it's the same notes as that, but I'm playing it here. It's a bit of a stretch, but that's what the guys do. So you can do that, or you can just do 1-5-1. Then on the right hand, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a 7-2-3-5. So you can do that, right? Or you can do what I also do as well. Just do like a, which is kind of what I'm playing there, except I'm leaving out a 7, so it's not like 2-4, because what I'm doing is like I'm playing, and then I'm filling out this 1 chord here. So I'm playing a 2-3-5, rolling that 2 into a 3, and walking up 1-5-1-2-3-5. So Melusi. Now the 2 chord, left hand's playing a 2-1-2, right hand's playing a 6-1-4, C. And I'm also filling it out here at the bottom with this 3-4-1. So, right, those 2 chords, those are the first 2 chords. Melusi, right? Then we're going to a 3 chord next. So it's Melusi, 3 chord, right? But what I'm doing is I'm doing a passing chord in between that, which is the 4 chord. But I'm voicing it like this. So a left hand's playing a 4-1-3, right hand's playing a 6-2-3-6, rolling that 2 into the 3. Right? Then left hand's playing a 3-1-2, right hand's playing a 5-1-2-5, where the right hand, the 1 is going from the 1 back to 1 to the 2, then back to the 1. Right? So just to recap those 4 chords again, we're doing right? Then now we're going to a Melusi 1, right? Then now we're going to a 4 chords. So left hand's playing a 4-1-4, right hand's playing a 6-1-4. Melusi 1, Wami. Then the last part, which is Ngibiza guwe, Melusi Wami, Ngibiza guwe. right? So how does that go? You can do it like this, where you're just going G, left hand's playing a 3-5, right hand's playing a 1-2-5. Then left hand's playing a 2-1-2, right hand's playing a 6-1-4. Back to that 4-5-1. Then left hand's playing a 5 octave, right hand's playing a 2-5-7. Then you're resolving it, left hand to a 1-5-1, right hand to a 2-3-5-1. Or you can do it this way. So instead of you can do this. See that? Or even simpler. Here the left hand's playing a 2-flat, 7-flat, 2-flat, right hand's playing a 3-5, 7-flat, 2-flat, 3. Now left hand's playing a 2-flat, 3, right hand's playing a 7-flat, 2-flat, 3, 5. Then the same things. Alright. Then that's literally the entire song. So altogether it sounds like this. So Melusi, Melusi, just to show you that it's the same, playing the same thing, right? There's a part where it goes just right? You're literally playing the same thing, right? So now how can we, add some stuff to this over here? So if we look at the fact that we're playing this over here, 1, 2, right? So now, if you look at what we played before we started again, you see the part where we go da 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 da. Right? What you'll notice is that there's a whole gap of you just playing resolving back to a 1, then going to a 1/5, right? Before you start the 1 again. Right? So sometimes what I'll do is I'll play da 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 da. So something it all depends on what the melody sounds like, because the normal way, if you guys do know the song "Let the Church Say Amen," I know this is going way off topic from the song here, but there's a part. So let the church say amen. Let the church say amen. God has spoken. So let the church say amen. Da 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 da. Right. So that movement's over there. I use it for even South African gospel songs, but then I change the melody a bit depending on which song I was using it for. So like for example, this song, Melusi, Melusi, Wami, Melusi. I have to like speed it up a bit to follow the melody line. So I will show you guys. I don't know if I've showed you how to do that in some videos, but I will show you. But then I don't think it's the best for this song, but you can use it in the song. But generally what I'll do is you know, I'll just do like a walk up. Bum, bum, bum. Right, so what is that? Right, what's it? Right hand's playing a 1-6, right hand's playing a 2-7, left hand's playing a 2-4-5-6, right hand's playing a 1-4-5-1. Right? Then right, so it's a boom 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 boom. Or if you're doing it on this low octave, it sounds like this, right? Right, so then right hand's playing a 5-3, then you're playing a 6-1-4, 5-3 again, then 4-2, then a 3-1, then Melusi. Right, so you get the point over there, right? So that has been the tutorial for the song Melusi by Lebo Sekgobela. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video here. Until next time, guys, stay blessed.